Death by malnourishment, 7%. By physical injury, 11%.
Oh.
By exposure
Do bad things come out at night?
active crash site materials,
Ugh!
19%.
Oh, what are you?
Probability of death
What are you?
65%.
Oh! Oh god. No, 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 no. Okay, I'm in an escape pod, I think.
Launch in 3, 2, 1.
Okay. Well. I have no words. I don't know what to say about this. Oh, that's gonna hit me, isn't it? Yep. I knew it. That was gonna hit me. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Get me out of the chair, get me out of the come on, get me out of the chair! Just stop stumbling, just grab the stupid fire extinguisher, grab it! Come on! E. No? Mouse button. Oh, come on. Stop looking at it, just put it out! Okay, so it's right then. Put it out! Put it out! Ugh. Ugh. What? What? Oh, okay. You're gonna be an annoying personal data assistant, aren't you? Oh, it's a little cut off. That's not good. Eh. Familiar mess. Oh, it's tab. Okay. Take a screenshot. Oh. Whoa. Is this all I can build? Jesus. Only have a fire extinguisher. Okay. What? Use fabricator. Oh! Oh, that's so cool! So this is how I craft? Oh, it even tells you what I need. Tells me what I need. What? Well, I mean, it tells you... Shut up, Alex. Damaged communications relay. Use welder to repair. I don't think I have a welder. I don't seem to have a welder. Damaged life supply. Okay. What's sparking over here? Self-charging power cell. Ooh, that seems handy. Multiple errors detected in lifebot power system. Circuitry test failed. Secondary systems offline. Gravity anchor offline. Lifebot hull integrity okay. Alright then. Let's see. I'm gonna get out of here. Whoa. Oh my god. Oh.
Detecting increased local radiation levels. Trend is consistent with ongoing degradation of the Aurora's dark matter drive core due to damage sustained during collision. Continuing to monitor.
Oh. Lifebots are equipped with a program to construct tools and render organic substances edible. That's handy. I think I can see the bottom down there. Oh well, YOLO. Whoa! This looks so cool! Huh? Break limestone. How do I do that? Mouse button left. Titanium discovered. Titanium is a versatile and essential construction material. That will come in handy, I think. So what do I do? just survive then? I see a bunch of bars on the side. I see my hunger, what I assume is my thirst. There's my health, I'm pretty sure. But what is that thing? Oh no, is that my oxygen? Yes, it's my oxygen. Oh wait, I only have like, what was that, 45 seconds of oxygen? That's not good. Here, come here. What are you? Ugh! Ew! Wait, what did I discover? What is this thing? Gary fish. Oh, that's cute. Oh, are all the creatures in this game going to be references? I hope so. Can I eat you? Maybe? Oh, I can. Did that help? I eat you raw. What are you? Ugh. Air sac? Cooked air sac recipe unlocked. Pure air sac recipe unlocked. Filtered water? Filtered water. You just... H2O -4. Ooh. But +9 food. Can I use the fabricator for this thing? I saw like a water thing. Assistance, water. Yes, I can use it. Alright. That looks so cool! And it's made with lasers! Awesome! Okay, do I just use it then? +20 H2O. Mouse button left, eat. Did I eat the bottle too? Wait, can I cook fish? Oh, you, come here. Whatever you are. Come here, I want to eat you. Come here. Oh my god, he's fast. But not fast enough. Cooked peeper recipe. This is a peeper? Okay, that makes sense. It's got a giant eye on it. Alright, let's see, can I cook you? Cooked food. Cured food. Cured peeper. Salt deposit. Preserved in salt. Nah, I'm gonna cook you now. And eat you. Oh! Awesome! Okay. So, what else can I make? Personal equipment. Can make a thermometer. Pipe pump air from the surface. Ooh, that could come in handy. Treated bandages applied. Still suit. Reclaims moisture from body. Ugh. This is. Wait. Does that mean I'm drinking my pee? Am I gonna go Bear Grylls in this ocean? Radiation suit. That could come in handy. Fins. Translate vertical limb movements underwater into forward thrust. So it makes me faster? That'd be awesome. O2 tank. O2 mix 30 seconds of breathable air. Oh! Should I get that? I won't have to come to the surface very often, will I? Because it adds 30 seconds to it? Two titanium and glass. How do I make glass? Is that a thing I can just make? Advanced? No. Why would it be in electronics? Alex is just an idiot. Glass. Pure fused quartz glass. Quartz. 2 quartz. What does quartz look like? Let's see. I know how to get that. Oh, is it getting darker? Oh, it's getting darker, isn't it? The sun's setting. Oh, that's not good. Have I mentioned how I hate the ocean? Well, I mean, I don't hate it. Like, it's a good thing it's there and everything, but... Oh, it's so scary. Yeah, it's definitely getting darker. I gotta find that titanium quickly. Oh, no. Titanium. Nighttime approaches. What is this thing? Ooh. Cool. Oh. Do bad things come out at night? Ugh! Oh, what are you? What are you? Oh! Oh god. No, 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 no. Get away from me. Get away from me. Get away from me. Ow! Oh, I'm getting away from you. Ooh. Crystals. Oh, this is quartz. Awesome. Oh, God. Ooh, what are you? Sea glide fragment? That sounds awesome. Can I pick you up? No. Well, there's some quartz here. So I'm gonna take that, thank you. Are those peepers in the background? Ooh, what are you? Hello. Boomerang. Are you edible? Bet you are. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. Oh. Oh, there are birds! Ooh. And that planet or moon or whatever is awfully close. That could explain all the water here. That moon. If it is a moon. So, for those of you who don't know why the moon would affect this planet, is that, moons for planets are often the, ones that directly, are often the sources that, oh yeah, I can cook you, are the sources that, direct the planets, that they're orbiting their planet's, gravitational pull. And, that gravitational pull also regulates the ocean, the sea, it regulates the tides, and if that moon is really as close as it looks, that would mean that the tides here grew exponentially, and that's a little cool, I guess, but it makes total sense. Okay, so I think I can go with 50% as long as I don't run into anything dangerous. What do I have? 2 quartz and a 2 quartz will give me 1 glass, it said, and I need 2 titanium, right? 2? Yeah. 2 titanium. Where was it? Equipment. O2 tank. Yes. 2 titanium. Yes. Okay. So I need 1 titanium, and you get those from the limestone. Ah, like this one. Titanium, yes. Alright. Nope, wrong one. Equipment. Oh, I need the glass, that's right, I need to make the glass. Glass. Oh. I love how it just makes it with lasers, that's awesome. 75 seconds, yes! Okay. It said I can weld these. So, it's not an equipment I looked. Tools, scanner, handheld spectroscope scanner for recording atomic level informations on targeted entities. Welder, multi-purpose repair tool functional in all environments. Magnesium crash powder and titanium. Flashlight. I definitely want that flashlight. Battery powered underwater light source. Battery and glass. I know how to make glass, but how do you make a battery? Battery would be in electronics, wouldn't it? Yeah, battery. Acid mushrooms. What? Acid mushrooms. And copper ore. How do I get copper ore? Oh, day's coming. Finally. Where's the sun? Okay, the sun's over there. It rises in the east, so that's east. Right? That would be east. And that would be west. Okay. Are these the acid mushrooms? They are! I need 2, right? Yeah. I also need some quartz. Maybe I can get copper from those limestone. Maybe it's like certain like chance of getting it. Oh, that music. That music. That's not... Go! Oh, God! Oh, I forgot about you. Oh, I forgot about you. What are you? Crash powder? Creature egg? Oh, that doesn't sound good. Are you saying this ship is going to explode? What is a creature egg? So that's crash powder. Okay. So I get that from those things, from the inside of those plants. I still need the copper. And I am hurt. 36% health. That explodey thing, whatever it is, took a chunk out of my health. That wasn't cool. Titanium. Shut up. Oh, there's copper. Okay, so that's how you get it. Or another sea glide. Alright, so I'm gonna go make that flashlight. Okay. Electronics, battery. Tools, I need glass. Flashlight. Awesome! Oh, so, okay. Alright. Cool. Okay. Said I need what did I say I need crash powder for? Oh, welder. I need magnesium, though. Oh, there's magnesium. Salt deposit. 3 salt deposits. Salt deposits. It has deposit in the name, so I would assume it's like little clumps of salt, like on the seabed or something. So, Oh, like this? Yes, salt. Okay, so that's what they look like. What's that? Another sea glide. A lot of sea glides around here. Nah, I'm not gonna eat you yet. I'm not hungry. Ooh. Solar panel. That's awesome. I need those salt deposits first. Oh, I just went in a circle. Dang it. Ooh, salt. Give me that. Get a little air. There's another one. Another solar panel fragment. Okay. Ooh, more salt. Oh, it's getting deeper over there. Salt. Yes. Okay. Ooh. Wait, is this that same one from before? I think it is. I think I went in a complete circle. Wait, how many? So I have 3 salt deposits. Okay. I saw that creature egg. I have no clue what to do with that. I don't even know what the egg is of. It just says creature egg. Okay, so basic materials, magnesium. Is that really?
Seismic readings suggest a quantum detonation has occurred in the Aurora's drive core. The central dark matter reactor will reach a supercritical state in T minus 10,
Huh?
9,
Oh,
8,
oh, oh.
7, 6, 5,
It's in the middle of this thing.
3, 2.
Ooh. Whoa! Holy cow. Uh-oh. Radiation? Is this whole place unsafe now? Oh no, wait, it stopped. That is a. I'm gonna assume that's a moon and not a planet. That is a big moon, or it's just close, I guess. All right. So I should have everything I need to make the welder. Yes. Ah. Okay. Now can I build? Can I do this? Oh yeah, that's right. It's not left. It's right. Yes! Broadcast it! Well, this... I'll deal with you in a second. Let me get this right. Let me get this fixed. Ooh! Everything's smoking, though, still. Can I... No? Can I weld this? No? What's the message?
This is an automated bounce back from the Aurora mining vessel. Your distress signal has been received. An emergency relief team will be dispatched to your location. Estimated arrival time, 9 hours.
Alright. Well... You know what? I think that's enough for today, I guess. I'm just gonna, just casually end it here. I did a lot. I feel like I did a lot. So, go ahead and give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you want to see more videos in the future. Whoop. Sorry, I knocked my mouse. And I really do plan on making more videos of this. This is an awesome game. I still hate the ocean, but it's interesting, and I feel like I could do a lot with this game. So yeah, be sure to watch for more videos of this in the future, and I will see you guys in the next episode. Bye.